Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document on Google Drive. First, open your Google Drive and locate the document you need to sign, or upload a new one from your computer. Ensure it is in a format compatible with Google Docs, such as a PDF or a Word document, for easy editing. This foundational step is crucial, preparing your file for the next stages of annotation and approval efficiently. Once your document is uploaded to Google Drive, right-click on the file to open it with Google Docs. This action converts the document into an editable format, allowing you to make changes and add elements. You will see your document displayed within the Google Docs interface, ready for the next step of inserting your personalized signature. This prepares the document for any necessary annotations or approvals. Now, within Google Docs, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen, then select Drawing and choose New to open a fresh drawing canvas. Here, you can carefully draw your signature using the Scribble tool or even upload an image of a pre-existing signature. Once completed, click Save and close to place the signature onto your document, then precisely position and resize it as needed. With your signature successfully added, it is time to finalize and share your document. Go to File, then Download, and select PDF document to save your now signed file as a universally compatible PDF. This ensures the signature is embedded and uneditable. You can then easily share this PDF by sending it as an email attachment or by generating a shareable link from within Google Drive, maintaining a secure and professional record.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.